The new battery pack cell balancer, iSmartEV EB240 launched by SmartSafe, is used to quickly solve the problem of inconsistent voltage of lithium battery packs. It is an intelligent and efficient lithium battery balancer. This product is mainly used in battery testing of battery manufacturers, after-sales, warehousing, TVC testing, QA, quality control and other departments, as well as OEM battery maintenance for shop after-sales maintenance, suitable for lithium iron phosphate, ternary lithium, lithium titanate, lithium manganate, and other types of new energy battery packs. iSmartEV EB240 adopts an independent channel design to detect and evenly charge or discharge the module cells. When charging or discharging, the device will detect the voltage and core temperature information, and provide input overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, output overcurrent protection. Various test shutdown thresholds for current protection and over-temperature protection are provided to ensure that each cell in the module is not overcharged or over-discharged. With wide voltage design, it can be applied to lithium battery pack testing of all current voltage levels. With a clamping voltage working mechanism, the voltage of the cells in the battery pack can be infinitely close to the target threshold during the test. The equipped 7-inch LCD screen can display test data and icons in real time, supports touch operation, and simplifies the operation process through user-friendly input methods and menu design. Users can customize the balanced maintenance parameters and quickly carry out balanced maintenance according to the preset parameters. With the rapid expansion of the new energy vehicle market, the phenomenon of squatting in the use of battery packs has become prominent. It not only leads to shorter cruising range of new energy vehicles, but also affects the service life of electric vehicles due to the premature aging of battery pack life. The battery pack cell balancer is a portable product for the treatment of backward single batteries in daily maintenance. It is mainly used for rapid battery repair and automatic daily maintenance. It fundamentally solves the pinpoint problem of premature aging of the service life of new energy vehicles. The above is all the introduction of iSmartEV EB240. Welcome to pay attention to the SmartSafe EV WeChat public account for more new product information. See you in the next issue.